We are, of course, tracking all the updates coming in with regard to Aryan Khan's release from Arthur Road Jail. These are live pictures that we're getting to you from Mumbai's outside Arthur Road Jail. Of course, Aryan Khan, all the release proceedings as far as the jail authorities are concerned is over. These are live pictures from Mumbai's Arthur Road Jail on your screens right now, where Aryan Khan is expected to walk out of jail shortly. What we can, just to summarize for our viewers what's happened over the past couple of hours. As we know from last evening, the bail proceedings had in fact been delayed to some extent, essentially because of the fact that the papers had not in fact reached the jail building, in fact, on time, Arthur Road Jail on time. And because of that, the final paperwork was actually given and submitted at the jail this morning, and following which, this was at 5:30 in the morning that we're talking about, following which, of course, the release formality started. And now we can see that the the Arthur Road Jail authorities are essentially saying that the formalities are completed from their side. Mayuresh is with me on this, tracking the developments from Arthur Road Jail there. Mayuresh, take us through the latest.
Yes, you can see this white Range Rover car has arrived, and we have been given to understand that Aryan will be taken from this car. Shah Rukh Khan's personal bodyguard have formed a human chain just outside the main gate of a jail. You can see that the commotion kind of a thing is already started happening here, and there is a movement, and we are expecting at any time Aryan Khan will come out of that particular gate of Central Jail. As I said, that this particular car which you are seeing right now in the visuals, my VJ Rajesh Khade is getting you these visuals from the Central Jail, Arthur Road, and we are expecting any moment Aryan Khan will come out. Back to you.
Right, stay with us, Mayuresh, on this. There's, of course, a lot of anticipation at the moment, but we'll have to wait and see. This is a formality now. Aryan Khan will be walking out in just a short while from now. It's been an arduous wait, at least for his family, because they were, of course, expecting the bail was granted by Bombay High Court. Remember, it was on Thursday that the bail was granted, but the detailed order copy only came out yesterday with the 14 bail conditions which have been put on Aryan Khan. And following that, of course, the paperwork had to reach the Arthur Road Jail. It could not make it to the within the deadline. But early this morning, the final paperwork was served. So Aryan Khan has walked out of jail. Live visuals there on your screen. Aryan Khan has just come out of Arthur Road Jail, and he's got inside the car. And you can see that this is, of course, the entire Shah Rukh Khan's team forming a security ring of sorts outside that car, which is now taking Aryan Khan outside from Arthur Road Jail back to his residence at Mannat. Let me go try and reconnect with Mayuresh, who's with me on this. Mayuresh, so Aryan Khan has finally walked out of Arthur Road Jail, and he's been in custody, first with the NCB and then in jail since October 3rd.
Yes, absolutely. After 22 days now, Aryan Khan is out, and we just saw Aryan Khan going in that car. And we have been given to understand that Aryan now from here, he will directly go to Mannat. Yes, there was a commotion. Shah Rukh Khan sent his personal bodyguards there to receive Aryan Khan. There was a big Range Rover car which just parked outside the main gate of Central Jail. And from here onwards, now we have been given to understand that Aryan Khan will directly go to Mannat. In the morning, the cars which we saw, we saw 3 cars coming out of the Mannat. These were the only cars which got parked outside Central Jail. Back to you.
Right. Mayuresh there, of course, giving us an understanding of what's happening right there. A security ring. We're just playing for our viewers that shot once again of Aryan Khan. There's a lot of crowd, of course, a lot of security measures which have been kept at Arthur Road Jail, and also a ring of security which had been formed by Shah Rukh Khan's team as well, which has in fact escorted Aryan Khan out now from Arthur Road Jail back to Mannat. Let me go across to my colleague Arunil, who's also there at Arthur Road, outside Arthur Road.
Fan frenzy that was seen over here, it was like an unprecedented kind of an event with respect to Arthur Road Jail is concerned. Now, in another 1 hour or 45 minutes, one can expect Aryan Khan to reach the Mannat residence of Shah Rukh Khan. A homecoming, a welcoming for Aryan Khan definitely will be planned by Mother Gauri Khan, by the little brother Abraham, as well as the sister Suhana. But yes, very big development coming in from Mumbai, wherein Aryan Khan, who was lodged inside the Arthur Road jail since 3 weeks, he has stepped out finally after getting bail around 2 days back. Now Aryan Khan will be proceeding to his house in Mannat, the plush localities of Bandra West, which is a seaside front. Imagine the kind of turnaround that he had seen in his life. He was staying in one of the most expensive houses across India, Mannat, which belongs to his father Shah Rukh Khan, and then been forced to stay inside Arthur Road jail for 3 entire weeks. So now Aryan Khan has left from the Arthur Road jail, and the convoy, basically with police security, is proceeding towards the Mannat residence of Shah Rukh Khan.